freelance illustrator. I have been painting for 15 years, so I have a bit of experience in this field. I'm obsessed with Procreate, Watercolor, magical things and cute stuff. And during my classes, I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate, about the watercolor, also how to paint lovely and cute art in fun and simple way. And today's class will be special. We're gonna learn how to paint lovely watercolor illustration traditionally with real watercolor medium. And our next step will be, I will show you how to turn your traditional art into digital. We'll learn a few useful tricks that you can use if you want to enhance your art, and also we'll explore Affinity Photo app and Procreate, of course. So welcome back to my class, and let's dive into watercolor floral art, and let's create all together lovely watercolor postcard with flowers. So in the end of my class, you will learn how to transfer your art from traditional way into digital, and how to make your art even more beautiful with Affinity Photo and Procreate apps. Guys, you can skip some of the steps during my painting process and jump into the moments that you actually like. Feel free to do whatever you want and whatever will help you to feel comfortable and happy. I will show you where to find freebies and how to import them into the Procreate. Our next step will be creating sketches. After that, we will paint beautiful flowers in traditional way. And finally, we will start adding colors, shades and highlights. I will show you how to create floral art from the simple shapes and how to add more and more details. So we will make our painting process a little bit advanced. Our next step will be transferring your traditional art into digital sphere. Here we will use Affinity Photo app, and as a bonus, I will share with you my own custom brushes, my own pictures that I created. This class is great for intermediate level, also can be useful for beginners if you have some familiar knowledge about the Procreate and Affinity Photo app, and actually for anyone who is interested in traditional and digital watercolor art and floral illustrations. And one more thing that I want to mention, your opinion and your feedback are very important to me. So don't hesitate, and if you have some questions or you want to share your opinion about my class, feel free to go to discussion or review section and leave your thoughts about my class there. I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. So let's not wait, grab paper, regular watercolor paints and pencil, or if you want to draw digitally, just grab iPad and Apple Pencil and go to Procreate app. And let's not wait and start painting process together.